end of the world for Danielle. The lights were fixing to go out.
Danielle! Danielle! Wait a minute. What was it?
What happened?
What happened? Danielle!
Explosion! Did you hear that explosion?
Danielle! What was that?
Did you hear that explosion?
Did you hear that?
What was
I don't know. What was it?
There was an explosion!
You're bullshit.
No, Danielle!
Bullshit. Don't
Danielle!
bullshit with me right now, Mama. I'm in the shower. Don't
Danielle!
bullshit with me right now. Don't bullshit.
Danielle, what are you going to... Danielle!
Don't bullshit with me right now, please. Don't.
Danielle!
Mama!
Come on, get out!
No, I'm not getting out of the freaking shower. Y'all kidding.
Danielle, the lights are gone!
Okay, the lights are gone, but I have soap in my hair. Y'all are... I hate y'all. I hate y'all.
Danielle.
I hate y'all. Y'all are going straight to hell for that.